All right, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, guys. I'm going to show you all how to get into the meeting. I had some messages saying that they couldn't get into the meeting, so I'm going to very quickly show you all how to click on the link and get into the meetings. Okay, so now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the meeting link. Whatever meeting link that I'm going to go to, they're in the meeting link folder. Then here, either I'm going to click that's supposed to be 10 a.m. or the 2 p.m. session, okay? Let's say I want to click on the 10 a.m. So now, it's not going to show up here, but what is going to happen is you're going to be able to click the blue link here. So once you click that, then you'll be ready to join the meeting. Of course, this was what comes up on mine, but then all you have to do is, if you want to cut your camera on, that's fine. If not, you can just cut it off, and make sure you mute yourself before you join. And then you click join, and then you're in the meeting, okay? So just make sure you look over this video. If you have any questions, make sure you send me a message in Schoology. Have a great day, and see you tomorrow.